In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or update filters and labels in Gmail. We'll start with filters because they quietly automate your inbox. Filters can apply labels, skip the inbox, or otherwise route new messages so you don't have to. Open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. Along the top, select the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is where all your existing rules live. Find the filter you want to change and click Edit on the right. You'll see the criteria that determine which messages the filter catches, like the sender, the subject line, or specific keywords. Update any of these fields to refine what the filter matches. A good tip here is to keep criteria specific enough to catch the right mail without sweeping in messages you still want to see. When you're ready, click Continue. Next, review what the filter does to matching emails. You can change the action, like choosing a different label to apply. This is handy if your workflow has evolved or you've reorganized your labels. Make your adjustments and confirm the settings look correct. If you want your changes to affect messages you've already received, check the box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This will retroactively apply the updated actions to older emails that meet the new criteria, saving you from manual cleanup. When everything looks good, click Update Filter to finalize it. Now, let's manage labels. Labels in Gmail are like folders, but more flexible. You can apply more than one to a single message, which makes organizing and finding things much easier. On desktop, you can update labels right from the sidebar. Hover over a label name on the left, click the three-dot More menu, and choose Edit. From there, you can rename the label or nest it under another label to create a tidy hierarchy. Nesting is great for grouping related topics, such as placing a project label under a broader team label. You can also manage labels in Settings. Go back to See All Settings and open the Labels tab. Here, click Edit next to any label to change its details and adjust its visibility. Set labels to Show, Hide, or Show, if unread, to control what appears in your sidebar and keep it clutter-free. For a quick visual boost, use that same three-dot menu on the sidebar to change a label's color. Consistent colors can make scanning your inbox much faster. That's it. Your filters and labels are updated and working for you. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.